What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a portable backdrop stand. Now, this will be good if you are of course a photographer. This will be good if you have a small space and you want to dampen sound. So say one side of my studio is like an actual studio for me. That way, I do my little entertainment stuff over here. And, this side I have my Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews side over here, of course. And I want to separate that. I can buy a sound blanket or something and put a sound blanket right between to dampen more sound. So that's another cool idea to do. And also, if you got kids that's into virtual classes and stuff, they can put this on their background and block the background. But they got stuff on the internet now where you can blur the background and all that blah 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 stuff. So this will be good for what I want to do in the future, and especially to get a sound blanket, a nice sound blanket, and put it on here. But I'm just going to unbox it, put the stand up, show you the stand, and call it quits. The base right here. All right, so you have the base. Of course, if you have tripods, you should know this, but loosen that, spread it out, and there you go. As far as that, they gave us a carrying bag, which is nice. For y'all photographers out there that keeps it moving, you could put sand in this bag. All right, you guys, I am trying to look at the instructions, so y'all have to excuse me, but this is small. This is very small, you guys. All right, so we got A, B, C. So we got A, B, 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 C. So we have A, in which they're saying it goes in, right? I hope I'm right about this. Okay, I'm hooking all of them up. A, B, 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 C. We already got A, B. Okay. Oh, if you want it taller, you need to install the B's. Okay. A. Oh, well, y'all can't see. So A is you can make your adjustment, right? So you can adjust on A. But B has this little indent right here where it prevents you from going all the way down. So that's how you get your height. So regardless, if you want your height to be like this, you have to hook up one B. If you want your height to be another height, you hook up the other B. All right. Once again, it has an indent in it. This is pretty cool, you guys. All right. Got that indent. And that's about 4 foot. All right, that's about 5 foot right there. So we got our 3 B's in, and we already at 5 foot. And C also has an indent in it, but it don't have no hookups or nothing on the top. So it's like a fresh full bar on it. So, okay, so that's gotta be about 7 foot at least. And remember, I can make my adjustments from the bottom. Oops, I hit the ceiling. So I can make my adjustments on the bottom if need be, but I'm not gonna do it right now because I need to reach. All right, you guys, and now we got the top. All right, so this one goes in the middle. So it's 1, 2, 3. So 1, it has the ball hole right here. So they have pinballs. So you got 1, and then you hook up 2. I like this too because it's light, very light. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. So y'all photographers can tell me if that's good or bad. All right, and then we have 3. This 3 don't fit. Why it don't fit? Okay, so will this 3 fit? Or is it? Oh, okay, it's a tight fit. Woo! All right, so this 3 I put right here. Now, one of their styles, they say you could just do 1, 2, and 3. And the way I'm gonna do it is I'm just gonna do 1, 2, and 3 on both sides. So that's what I want. Anyways, so we got 1, okay, 2, and then 3. Alrighty, and that's it, you guys. What you have to do is put this on the top, twist the knob. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, and the backdrop is on. Forgot to put our clamps on. All right, you guys, so we are all done. I have all of them hooked up right there. It looks very nice, you guys. It's actually tall, so I don't even have it up all the way. All right, as you know, it says it's 8 foot, and there goes the clamps right there. I'm not gonna go all the way upstairs to get a backdrop, so y'all kind of get the hit with the backdrop. And that's it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.